So you might be in a situation where for some reason Instagram scheduling posts is just not working. Now, this can randomly happen for a few different reasons, but if you want to go ahead and double check your scheduled post, as you can see, if I go and make a little thing right here, whatever, right? Actually, let me just go and make an actual post. If you want to, I would recommend just going through and making sure that you even, actually schedule that post in the first place. So go through your initial setup of going through and, taking that photo or posting that photo, then click on advanced settings on that one page, and you'll basically come here. Now, under schedule this post, what you can do is you just want to go ahead and make sure that you have toggled this on and you've actually scheduled the post to the perfect time that you actually wanted to post. So I think on average it's already going to be like 25 minutes ahead. So just go through and post that specific, post as you normally would, and that is going to be one of the most important things you can try doing is making sure that you've actually scheduled this post. Now, you can also try going through and updating your Instagram application. If you're posting this post via like Creator Studio, then that's going to be a little bit of a different story. But what you're going to want to do is make your way over to your App Store, click on the search button, and you just want to update your Instagram application. This is another thing that you may want to go and just kind of do. It will probably end up fixing the problem for you. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing as well is literally just updating your Instagram application. Now, if for some reason and that's still not working, you may want to go ahead and make sure that Instagram isn't actually down. So you can do this by making your way over to your internet browser, any internet browser that you have, and you want to go to a website like either downdetector.com, is it downrightnow.com. You can go to x.com and go to the Instagram page and see if Instagram said anything. And you want to take a look at, Instagram. And if Instagram is down, it's probably going to be like the number one application on here. And you can see for us, like it looked like it was kind of down a couple of times before, but it looks like it's kind of good now. So if there's massive spikes, like if there's spikes like this, or if there's spikes like another thing like the first one up here, if there's spikes like this or this, then that basically means that Instagram is down for that period of time. So there's really not much you can do there. You can also try rescheduling that post, but that's pretty much how to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.